NDC party say party for B.
Party no MPP
NDC party.
Okay.
For B. We are yet to confirm, but we are picking information. Say some of the constituency executives are attacking the MCE.
Sir, Oma attacking is Oma Bono.
That is it. So Oma attacking.
Oma Bono.
Videos neba.
Oma Bono. Tete Oma Bono dia a criminal because
what we are picking.
MC Oba. Omudifo. Listen.
Omudifo. This is it.
Omudifo.
But your videos ni Oba live. Your Facebook page Akoma 87.9 FM.
Oyoba.
Watch this one. Abans sheni pa. Post for ni jina hai. Abusia by Facebook page never had it. Post for an intervention from Ghana.
Jerry
na Santia nano no
Oba omudifo. Oba nkwa de omudifo.
That is
no matter how good their cases omudifo.
Videos any.
Remember now omakwa attack Oba.
No pata back.
Na me ba police ni no jaho no yede. Me so commander we dey send a message kakrama ye. Edieti na say police ni hwe. Emietimi wura the head of the Municipal Security Council because say executives no bi ene MC ni nyadwen. Etomutimi wura oba no office ko attack oba. And the police ni je ho no ma wanchi omo. So what is happening? No. Nana Kwesi we dey me Judy chairman. You have to do something about it. Isham, you have to do something about it. Me pacho ya chi omo anaso omo da so na homu di.
Now, Evan say bema audio. Now work on the audios for us because command no call so and dangerous.
Very dangerous. Very dangerous.
Very
police no ado oye den law enforcement officer oye den.
Very
law enforcement officer no oye den. Sedon law enforcement officer no oye den. Law enforcement officer no oye den. Eti omakwan ma emema omusi omuye constituency executive officers. Sajo me ba mami ni abre. Emema omusi omuye constituency officers. Omutimi attack oba. Oba ka ho.
Dangerous.
Onyoba.
The constituency women organizer.
Oh, David.
The reporter ban is Oba ka ho.
Oyebema.
I am getting reports that the constituency chairman and so the leading team.
What's that?
I am telling you that is a report.
It's bad.
So we are getting the information.
For that, when you said 2017, data force for no, vigilante for no, MP vigilante for no, Stormy regional coordinating council, got attack regional security liaison. Yet you am court.
Okay.
Are they telling us say? Sir, executives no more a year or just one. No, they are more. The omuye bigger than the Constitution of the Republic, or they are bigger than the ruling National Democratic Congress.
So watch this. Now, Evans, they are me picking is I say party penny for ni be a work constituency hono. Warehouse. Be
allegedly.
That is allegedly, yes.
Yes. Yetiti allegedly.
Yetiti no. Yetiti.
Yes.
Send bro for ni allegedly.
Sana yana. Lawyer say enkano. Lawyer say enkano. Allegedly.
Emu ya can choose as man.
Yetiti. Ye ni nyina so bia.
The information I yet pick I yet to confirm.
Yet to confirm. Thank you.
Somebody been say. It's a warehouse.
Ayedan.
Omo warehouse no minim se niam ewo mu na oma ton and I say so this is the warehouse
why am so oma ton sa niam no
warehouse no they say auditors eba and MC say nkoto ade anim because auditors eba and wani
audit na MC ka so mo koto no auditors eba
say the information no na nya no
say
wo mu ba na warehouse o de yentie we ma yentie
me
What's the person in some? Where to see you? One brand new
Akoma FM 87.9